Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. And what do we see? Aha! We see a bracket that is exactly the same. This will be our common factor, which I'm going to extract out as a common factor. And what is left after that? M minus 3n. And we are done factorizing. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. And I'm going to break it into two. There is 1 plus 2r, and there is my negative k and negative 2kr. Let's focus on the blue color portion. There's no common factor, so I'm going to just put a huge bracket to group them together. And actually there is an invisible 1 in front because there's one bracket. Next, I will have a minus, and I saw that the common factor is k. And notice what Mr. Tan write. There is a 1 here because if I expand out 1 times k, I will have to get back my negative 1k. And again, I write a very interestingly, Mr. Tan write a positive 2r, because if I expand out negative k times positive 2r, I will again get back my negative 2kr. And everything works out nicely because I can now see my common factor. 1 plus 2r. And I'm left with 1 minus k. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. And when I try to group them up, I realized that the first two terms, there's no common factor. The last two as well. So I'm actually going to rearrange the terms. Okay? So you will see Mr. Tan rearrange AU and 5u. Okay? So AU minus 5u, AB and 5b, negative 5b. So it's positive AB minus 5b. And then I will be able to then saw that there is a common factor u. I take out u as the common factor. I left with a minus 5. I saw there is a common factor b. And I'm left with a minus 5. And from here, right, you can then see that the a minus 5 is the next common factor. Extract them out. And I'm left with u plus b. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. And before I break them into groups, I noticed something. When I observe the numbers, I realize all can be divided by 3. Okay, So the 3 is a common factor. I take it out. And I'm left with the following. M minus 2n plus 12nt minus 6mt. And after which, I realize that the first two is m minus 2n. There's no common factor, but I do see some common factor in between, right? So this is what Mr. Tan will do. Mr. Tan will rearrange the terms so that it's easier for us to extract out the common factor. Okay, so I will have this 2, as 1. So you will see Mr. Tan writing 12nt minus 2n, and my m and negative 6mt, so negative 6mt, positive m. And at this point, do take note that the 3 is always outside. I can then take out my common factor, 2n. I have 6t minus, what's the missing number? 1. Alright, because if I were to expand out, I must be able to get back my negative 2n. My m, I will get 6t minus 1. Oh, why is that so? Because if I were to multiply back negative n times negative 1, I will get back my positive m. That is important. Okay, with that, we are finishing already. I saw my common factor, 6t minus 1. That will be one of the bracket. And I'm left with 2n minus m. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.